Learn how to activate Windows Sandbox with ease in this simple tutorial. Windows Sandbox offers a secure environment for testing apps without risking your main system. Follow along as we guide you through the activation process step by step. Boost your security and productivity today with Windows Sandbox. Open Control Panel, then open Windows Features. Find Windows Sandbox. After checking the box, click OK to apply the changes. Restart your system. Once the installation is complete, you'll be prompted to restart your computer. After restarting, you can access Windows Sandbox by searching for it in the Windows search bar or by navigating to Windows Accessories in the Start menu. That's it. You've successfully activated Windows Sandbox. Now you can enjoy a secure testing environment for running applications without affecting your main system. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.